In this day and age, everybody wants to find a way to work from home and make money from their computer. All right. I am going to show you two ways, my top two ways to make 5 to 10K without leaving your home. Stay tuned. All right, thanks for staying tuned. If this is your first time on this channel, go ahead and press subscribe and hit the bell notification. This way you get notified every time I make a new video. All right, so the first work from home business that I want to talk about today is affiliate marketing. All right, so affiliate marketing is a new love for me. All right, I just learned the power of really working from home by using affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Basically, you are marketing, promoting, advertising other people's products, right? So, the benefit, or what I like most about affiliate marketing, is that all I have to do is spread the word about a certain product, and then everything else is done for me. If somebody signs up, I get paid, right? Who wouldn't want to do that? Especially without leaving your home, right? So you might be thinking, why I'm in the office all the time? Well, that's just because I like working in the office. I feel like I get a little bit more done, and I have a pet at home. So for some people, working from home is not always the easiest thing to do. But if you wanted to work from home, you really could make some good money. So my recommendations, if you wanted to start affiliate marketing, is find you a nice room in your home that's bright, that's light, and that's peaceful and quiet. All right. Also, number two, the next thing you want to do, if you want to do affiliate marketing from home, get you if you're talking, make sure you get you a microphone, a good microphone, okay? That's important. So this is the lavalier mic from Amazon. And what I'm talking on currently is a JLab microphone. So I'm going to put some links below this video so that you can go ahead and sign up and get you a microphone or some good lighting for your affiliate marketing videos that you're going to make at home. All right, the second way, number two, the second hottest way to make money from home, and I'm talking about an extra 5 to 10K without leaving your home, is digital products. All right, digital products, oh my God. Digital products, that includes Excel templates, right? Say you're really good using Microsoft Excel and you want to create templates and sell them online. That's a digital product. Say you are good creating logos. Say you're a graphic designer and you create logos. That's a digital product. All right. So, what else? What else? Um, Hmm, 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 hmm. What else? Courses. All right. So that's what I like to do. I like to create business courses, and those are great digital products. So, but I started with affiliate marketing because in order for you to sell somebody else's product or your own product, you want to be pretty good at marketing. What I'm going to do now is show you an example of affiliate marketing. All right, I'm going to show you an example of an affiliate marketing product that you could sell. So, right here, I want to show you Canva. Now, I do affiliate marketing for Canva because it is a product that I love to use. All right, I use it all the time. I create my YouTube thumbnails with Canva. I create postcards for my Instagram with Canva. I create flyers. I create presentations. You name it, and I've created it using Canva. So this is a product. If I promote Canva, I will get a small commission. All right, so I love Canva. I will put the link below if you want to start sharing the great information about Canva, selling it, and getting a commission. I will put the link below so that you can do that too. All right, now let's go to a digital product, right? So now to create my digital products, what I use is Kajabi. Kajabi is like a one system, it's like one powerful system where you can create and add your courses. You could add digital products like ebooks, audiobooks, and you can build a website. So like right here, here's one of my websites that I created in Kajabi, and it was kind of easy to do. Let's go in here and just take a look real quick. So Kajabi also allows you to so Kajabi also allows you to do landing pages, but basically I just went in here. I did some editing, okay, some editing from the standard Kajabi website. So I just clicked there, replaced the picture that used to be there with my picture, and then I moved stuff around. I put some text that was to the left, to the right. It was not that difficult to do, but let me go back and show you some more. Kajabi also allows you to create landing pages. So let's click on landing pages. So I click on landing pages, right? So if you are collecting email addresses from social media, or you want to just have everybody go to a certain site to view all of your products, you can create the landing page right here. Let me show you. This is one of the main, I'm going to show you right now one of the landing pages that I use that has a variety of programs in here. And here's another one too that I do affiliate marketing for. And that's my score, my credit score IQ. You can get your credit score, all three bureaus, for just $1. So let's see. Let's see. Well, I would have to go back, but you get the point, okay? You can create landing pages, you can have your links, you can create a website, you can sell your products, you can have a store that has all your products. So if you are ready to start selling products, digital products, and it doesn't always have to be a course either. But if you want to sell a course or you want to sell ebooks, audiobooks, templates, you can sell all these on Kajabi. So I will put a link below. And also, the reason I made this video today is that I am starting a challenge, okay? It's called Next Level Bosses. And basically, it's going to be a mentorship where I help people to create digital products and sell them and make money from home. So we're gonna these are the main things I want to teach is affiliate marketing, making money from home, and digital products. But if you have a different kind of business in mind that you already have been planning to start, you are very welcome to join the challenge as well. If you learned anything in this video, or if you liked anything about this video, go ahead and leave your favorite emoji in the comment section and give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and that helps with the YouTube algorithm. All right, so that is it for today. And don't forget, this is Katina Willis TV, and it's the place for business funding, for credit, for real estate, and more. I will see you on the next one.